Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the account and DNS values. Now act. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, then the active network info. Once done, replace the DNS fields with Keepsolid's primary and secondary addresses. Make sure to disable any VPN or cellular DNS overrides first so the smart DNS can take effect. You're changing only DNS, not IP. This route's name lookups through Keepsolid while preserving latency. After saving, force quit Bgmi so the app picks up the new DNS resolution. Next, dig into the network specifics. Switch Configure DNS to manual and enter both Keepsolid DNS IPs exactly as shown. Make sure HTTP proxy is off to prevent conflicts. Once entered, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or briefly enable airplane mode to clear cached DNS. This forces iOS to use the new resolver for Bgmi name lookups. If you use multiple networks, repeat for each. Remember, smart DNS works per network, so consistency matters for Finally, launch Bgmi and verify access and latency. You should see region-dependent content appear or matchmaking behave differently. This confirms DNS routing worked. If Bgmi still blocks or errors occur, clear app cache by reinstalling Bgmi, then reapply DNS. If problems persist, run a DNS leak test to confirm queries use Keepsolid. Make sure no VPN is active. If necessary, revert DNS to automatic and contact. Keepsolid support with your diagnostic results for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.